year pursuing BA second year. Well, before coming to Jagran, I was not much into these speaking activities. But here at Jagran, the doors for the moot court competitions are open for us since the very first semester to make sure that we explore our capabilities. Apart from moot competitions, we have debates, speech, elocution competitions from time to time so that we know how to express ourselves. Because for a law student, to know what we say is the drill.
Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Tiwari and I am pursuing BLLB second year. Books for a law student is a very must. And talking about our library, we have over 3,000 books on different subjects. We have an e-library which is for faculties as well as students. Our e-library is enabled with SCC Online, which helps us in research projects as well as moot projects.
My name is Varchosu Tiwari, a student of BBLLB third year. The environment here in Jagran is pretty well. That is good for the law student, and the coordination between the faculty and the student maintain the guru-shishya relationship. Faculty help us in preparation of competitive exam and resolve our queries from time to time.
Hello everyone, myself Upasana Vadwani, pursuing BBLLB second year. Studying management is an essential part of this course. That's why our faculty pay attention to it. We have usually industrial visits, group discussions on the burning topics, and co-curricular activities are the essential part of this course at Jagran School of Law.
I'm Dr. Jayaprakash Yadav and I am the founder director of this Jagran School of Law. And the Jagran School of Law is fully prepared to provide the students with an innovative and stimulating exposures. The academic staff work in the cooperations towards that goal with a great enthusiasm. The campus atmosphere is pleasant and filled with a natural beauty. It is surrounded by hills which is provided scenic beauty in the campus. The student will be equipped develop dual approach and legal sciences. The focus is on the development of the student capacity to analyze and reason, oral and written communications, knowledge, application, intellectual curiosities, and professional integrity through air-conditioned computer lab, air-conditioned library, air-conditioned moot courts. The highly qualified and dedicated faculty will provide all sort of help and avenue to the students, to the overall development of the students, so that when they complete their course and go into the in the job markets, then they achieve their aims and aspirations which they dream for their lives. And in this regards, JSL is committed, student-centric institutes, and overall it's a venture of Dainik Jagran.